Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with these clear long stiletto nails. I went ahead and glued those on using base gel just because it's easy and I don't have to buy anything extra. This came with my polygel kit. I'm cutting those tips off just because I do prefer more of a tapered square shape to my nails. I'm still not the best at shaping, but I think I've come a very long way from where I started. So yeah, right now I'm taking my 80 grit file and I'm just gonna go ahead and slim down the sides. Just be super careful because these files are very sharp and you can nick the sides of your nails. I've done it before and it hurts. It hurts really bad. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some texture by using my 150, I think it's 150 file. And you guys always do this with gel nails just because you want your poly gel to be able to stick to something with texture. It really doesn't like to stick to things that are shiny just like it. So just a little tip. And you guys, these little stiletto nails were so flimsy. I feel like every time I use them, one of them breaks. Right here are the glitters I'm using, and I got those at my local Walmart for literally like $3. I'm going in and adding a layer of base gel just because I feel like it helps the polygel stick better to my nails and also helps the glitter have something to stick onto. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And I am drinking a Truly. So once I do that, you guys, I am literally just gonna paint my nail with a little bit more of the base gel. And I'm gonna be adding on this beautiful yellow glitter. You guys, bear with me. This was my first time ever doing this method. And there is a little learning curve for me, but you honestly just have to figure out which way is best for you to get the glitter onto your nail. So once I go ahead and cure that, I only cure it for 30 seconds, then I add another layer of base gel and repeat the same process. Alright, so once I add enough glitter, I'm just pressing it in, and then I'm going to add on a layer of clear polygel just to encapsulate the glitter so that it's not chunky when I add on my nude color. I put a lot of clear polygel. This is actually a big problem of mine. I always add too much clear polygel. So once I smooth that out, I'm literally just using my slip solution and I'm making sure that it's not grainy or chunky. Take off any excess and I cure that in my nail lamp. And just a second. Okay, once it's cured, I add in my Nude polygel from Burano. And I work in layers with my Nude polygel when I'm doing a baby boomer or an ombre inspired nail, just because sometimes it does look patchy in certain places but full coverage in other places. I would rather cure the full coverage and then kind of add on more coverage as I need it. So once it looks good to me, I cure it for 30 seconds and then I add on another layer just to kind of work it a little bit higher this time and make sure that it is very opaque towards the cuticle. So once that's done and I like the way it looks, I'm just going to keep smoothing it out to make sure that everything looks very well blended. And then I cure that for 60 seconds. Now for this next finger, I was just trying out something different to see if I could do multiple colors. You guys, this whole video is pretty much just trial and error, to be honest with you. But so right here, I'm just gonna add on a little layer of the yellow glitter. Then I'm gonna be adding a second layer just so that it is opaque. Honestly though, this might have been a waste of time because I don't really feel like you could see the yellow glitter from the front of my nail, but you could see it from the back, so maybe it wasn't a waste of time. And I'm just gonna overlap that orange glitter right on top of that. And for this nail, I decided to try out how it was encapsulating the glitter with the base coat, as you guys will see in the next part. And honestly, either way works. You could either cap it with the clear polygel or just use base coat. It's up to you. So once that's cured, I go ahead and do the same thing by adding on my Nude polygel and just blending that up to the top. So once I like that, I go ahead and cure it and I add on my second layer. I do the same exact thing as the first one. Right, once that's, go ahead and look at how that looks from the back. It looks so good. So once I go ahead and get it right, I cure that for 60 seconds. And then yeah guys, I just repeat the same exact thing with all the nails except for the blue nail because that one is gel polish, which I did not love as much as the glitter. Right here, you will see that I am encapsulating my nail design with clear builder gel. I was really tired and partially tipsy at this point and I just wanted to be done, and honestly builder gel works so good. It's so much faster than polygel in my opinion, and I don't know, I really prefer to cap things in builder gel, so that's what I did to all the nails. I also like doing this just because it does self-level and there's less kind of like pushing and sliding around that you have to do, and this pretty much helped me build up the strength of my nails because the thing about doing ombres is that you're more focused on doing the design than building up strength. So this this makes it sure that I will not have weak nails because I am actually building them up. Wow, you guys, I should probably really lay off the Trulies because yeah. Your girl is slurring, which is not cute. Don't judge me, okay? Mom's line out. So once I get all my nails done, I go ahead and close everything back up. I cure my nails for 90 seconds. When they first come out of the lamp, they are super shiny and sticky. Do not walk out of your house like that, you guys. You have to file that shiny layer off and smooth everything out. It's going to be so tempting to just be like, I'm done, but you are not done. It literally takes no time to file your nails. As you guys will see, I do not use my e-file at all during this tutorial. I did use it a little teeny tiny bit just to clean up some of my cuticles, but honestly, that's because I was trying to hurry up so I could take my tipsy butt to bed. As you guys will see, I've also used these same two files the entire video. You do not need to have 1,000 different files. Just get one that's really sharp and one that is medium grit and you're good to go. And if you want, get a buffer just so you can buff those scratches out, but it's up to you. Don't spend all your money on nail tools. Don't spend all your money on nail tools if you don't have to. Okay, so once my nails are filed, as you can see, they all look good, but the blue one, oh, I hate the blue one. I'm sorry. I'm taking my top coat from my polygel kit and I'm literally just gonna kind of scrub it into my nails to get rid of any scratches that might have happened. And yeah, it honestly turned out so good. Like, honestly, I would say if you do not have a lot of money to spend on colorful nail polishes, this is the way to go. And you can find these glitter packets at Walmart for $3 and at the dollar store for $1. So I would get on that if you want colorful nails, but you don't want to pay like $30 for colorful nail polishes. So once that's done, I go ahead and clean it off with some alcohol, and then I spray on my cuticle oil, and that is it, you guys. This is the finished look. They turned out so good. I love them, and I hope you guys try out this design. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.